I had the opportunity to go to the chiropractor today and get adjusted. And I got to tell you, it's a wonderful feeling to get adjusted. And I know there's some of you out there that go, oh, go to a chiropractor. They're evil. They're just snake oil doctors. And, that could be the case. But one thing that they do that I've noticed is that after getting adjusted, if I'm telling them where there's a pain, they'll also tell me where I need to get into adjusting myself and making sure I'm stretching. And then, what's interesting is they're giving me advice on things that I'm not doing. And when I do it, well, my life's a little bit better. And I just feel better too. Something to think about.